weer strijd, God is altijd met jou. En hij zal doen wait, verlaat niet. Al gaat en het weer is altijd met mij. Hij is daar voor jou en mij. Hou van another song. Soms voel ik al jaren, maar die kracht van woorden staat. Die liefde van Jezus is te groot. Groot en machtig is mijn God. This is one of my favorite songs I write, the best. Lord, I will follow you today to a place called love, happiness. Show me the way of heaven's gate. I need the touch of your hands. Another song I wrote. Lord, I am thirsty for your love. Show me the way of. This song right here is a song of my life. All my life I was a lost boy. Oh, I love singing around. Good morning, guys. I just want to sing this song I wrote yesterday on this beautiful Sunday. It was Mother's Day yesterday. I hope you enjoy yourself. There's something. Hi TikTok, listen to this beautiful I write yesterday. A nice song I write it yesterday on Sunday. There's something in my life, the words are love. The reason why I sing this song, it's what's the difference between love. As 'n verskil mos van liefde, liefde vergaan, maar God se liefde is altyd vir ewig. Let me sing it.